So today found a pretty made automatic washing machine. It says Marx Toys, New York, made in the United States of America. And it's got a little bucket in here, and when you spin the thing, there's a switch inside here. You move that up, and when you spin it, the basket spins. Okay, it's missing the top. Also inside here was the old wringer washer type. Move that handle back down. And it does like the washing machine does. It agitates. Of course, it doesn't work so good at an angle like that. But it's in pretty good shape. It's approximately 6.5 inches wide, 5.5 inches deep, and 9.5 inches tall. Cover hose needs to be replaced. Missing the top. The basket does have a little crack right there, and on both sides, which you could glue. This will be up on eBay and Shares, Buys, and Bids. It's pretty good shape. And we hope you stop by and bid on it. Thank you. Have a good day.